What's up, y'all? My name's Trippadoodle. My dad and I are going to be spending the next 2 days and 2 nights kayak fishing the Devil's River. Let's get to it. Oh.
Over here.
Oh, I still need to set it up. All right.
Hey. How you guys doing? Get those birds to the right trip. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Left, left.
Oh. The plan today is to paddle upstream for about half the day and then turn around and float back down to where we started. Tomorrow we'll do the opposite, head downstream first and then paddle back upstream. We're doing it this way because the place where we begin and end each day's paddle is on our friend's property, and since this is my first time kayaking the Devil's River and I'm not familiar with the area, having a set place to camp each night makes things a lot easier. Normally I just camp on one of the islands along the river, but for this trip we're keeping it simple and sticking to the same spot.
Look how pretty he is in the water. First one of the day.
Pretty decent one, actually. Nice little largemouth. Hopefully we can catch some smallmouths today. I've never caught one in my whole life and this river is known for it, so we're off to a good start. We've only been on the river for about 30 minutes. It's getting pretty windy. Hopefully y'all can hear me good.
My boss's house.
Check it out, somebody left their rod right there. Finders keepers. Nah, I'm just kidding, I'll leave it there. So this is pretty amazing. I was paddling right here and I spotted a herd of aoudad up on the mountain. Turn the camera around and show y'all. I don't know if y'all can see that too good. So even though we're walking upriver today, it's actually easier because the wind is so strong right now, blowing upstream. So we've been kayaking for a while now. It's getting pretty hot. We made it to these rapids and there's a good little swimming hole. We're gonna go ahead and swim, and I'm probably gonna make myself a sandwich too. My dad got another one. For a little snack, I'm having some Crosscheck's summer sausage and some crackers. My dad grew up with these people in El Campo, so if y'all ever want to sponsor me, go right ahead.
Yeah, Brent Crosscheck's the same grade as me.
Really?
We used to hang out, we'd go hunting.
Oh, I got one. Oh, it was a smallmouth. Wait, was it? I couldn't tell.
You got off?
Yeah. Dang.
Well, I got it on video.
That little bass did all this to the lure. Look at it. All right, there we go.
Oh, lost one.
Haven't caught any smallies yet.
He's skinny. Oh, I got one.
There we go. First fish of the day. Nice hook placement. We actually didn't end up eating a sandwich at the other spot, but we just stopped and now we're gonna eat because we're getting hungry. It's probably about noon, judging on the sun.
You put 10 inches together.
Mm-hmm. Found some treasure. Dang, that would have been a good one. All right, well, my dad and I, we have our kayaks parked right there. We're gonna do some fishing up here and then we're probably gonna turn back around and go back to camp for the night. So I'll see y'all there unless something cool happens. Oh yeah, also I wouldn't recommend going barefoot this whole time. The ground here feels like sandpaper and it's really rocky and it hurts, so I would wear shoes if you're gonna kayak the Devil's River. Just made it back to camp. I think we're gonna chill out for a little bit before we do anything else. Maybe take a nap because we're very tired and I'm really sunburned on my legs. I don't think you can see it well on the camera, but it's around 4 or 5. My dad and I just got done with our naps. I think the plan now is I'm gonna get in the water, cool off. What?
5:11.
It's 5:11? And then I'm gonna go hike this mountain on the other side of the river because I see some caves at the very top and I wanna go see if I can find some Indian caves that the Indians lived in, maybe some arrowheads. There's a mountain I'm gonna climb to the top of here in a second, all while wearing Birkenstocks. I'll see y'all at the top.
Trips. Heading up there.
Check out this little cave. If I was an Indian, I definitely want to use that as something. Maybe like a deer blind. You can tell Dad and all sorts of stuff like to bed up in there. Look at that. Oh, there's a lizard. All right, let's keep exploring. Oh, this one's inhabited by a lot of animals also. Oh wow, look, something dug out right there. Look at the view on this. That would have been crazy if I walked up here and there's a mountain lion waiting for me in here. This is cave number 3, I believe. I think this one's the biggest. Another spot one dug out the ground a little bit. That's crazy how the ground is literally sand from the aoudad just crushing up the limestone over the years. And then look at this view. There's my dad. There's our camp. Check it out, looks to be a scraper, or at least a preform. I don't think they were finished making it. I'm gonna start heading back down. I'm not seeing any good signs of Indians living in these caves. They were still really, really cool to see though, so. Time to go eat some dinner. My legs are absolutely cooked. Oh my gosh. Look at this little barrel cactus. It's so tiny. Here we have 2 little cotton balls and they have some Vaseline on it to make it more flammable. A little survival tip if you want a quick fire starter, just get some Vaseline, put it on some cotton balls. This should work, let's try it. I've never used a ferro rod, but I want to try it, so. Ow, okay. That was so easy. It was like first try.
Damn.
Not really.
Seasoning gets moisture, it kind of sticks. I'm sensing some moisture. There we go. There you go. Now you got a handle. We're not going to put it on yet. Just set it over there on the grate. Beans are kind of sweet.
Since I didn't have too much luck fishing, mainly because I was too busy filming the whole day, I decided to throw in some bread and meat every now and then because there was some carp and catfish roaming around our camp. Wait till it's right under it. Oh. Come on, right there. Oh my gosh. No. Oh look, now the catfish is coming.
There's 2 catfish down there too.
Got him. Got him. Oh, oh. Why is it going so far? Come on, don't get off this time. I want to see what this is. Oh, there we go. It's a catfish. I see it. On the piece of steak. Come on, land him, land him, land him.
Trip, why are you struggling with a 1 pound fish?
No, it's huge.
It's huge.
Oh.
There you go, dinner.
Oh, it actually would have been perfect dinner.
Yeah.
Perfect hook set right in the other way.
You want? Yeah.
He's making noises at me. Come on, come on. Oh, I ran into my line. What? It's a bass.
No, it ain't.
Oh, it's
catfish.
a catfish. What the heck? It
Bigger.
actually looks bigger.
Yeah, it's bigger. The channel cat.
Oh, I think for me, channel cat. I don't even know if I've ever caught a channel cat before. Film, big carp.
I got it.
Big carp. Oh my
got
gosh. Please let me land this. Please let me land this. I don't even think I've ever caught a carp before. Oh,
Keep it tight.
I am. Oh my gosh, it's so big. Oh my gosh.
Don't get it too tight.
You wanna walk in the water with it?
Yeah. Want me to hold it?
No. No way.
Oh, get him.
Look at how big he is.
You should weigh him. Grab him by the tail.
Ah, I got rope burn.
Well, you shouldn't have done that.
Okay, this is so hard to do. He's gonna get away. No, he's got me wrapped. No.
You're right. Hilarious. Hold on, let me.
Oh wait, I gotta do a circle. Hang on, he's so slimy.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. This might be a record for the river. Only 7? 7.44. Dang. Ready?
Yep.
Cannot believe I just caught this. They're so cool looking.
Yeah, they're pretty.
I guess let's let him go.
Yeah, unhook him.
Oh, look at that.
A little bass just took off after some minnows.
Goodbye, buddy. This is my first ever carp. I don't think I've ever caught one. Here.
He's pretty. I think you caught the biggest one.
Yeah. That was so cool.
All right. There would be no, that one's fat.
Yeah. Look, he's got like a fish number 4 at the camp. Oh, I just got off. Dang. There's a little catfish. He was the smallest one. All right, we're pretty tired and sunburned. I'll see y'all in the morning. Good morning, y'all. The plan today, again, we're gonna go downriver this time and then paddle back up about halfway through the day and then spend one more night and head out in the morning. I think I'm gonna try to catch that carp again, or at least a carp or a catfish. I caught it on bread yesterday. I caught the carp on bread and I caught the catfish on some meat, so I'll see what I can do this morning. Last night, my dad and I saw a black carp. Just about right there. I've never seen any carp that looks like that thing. I mean, it was solid black. I think it was melanistic. Hopefully I can catch that thing. It's a trophy carp. Alright, I didn't end up catching any fish, so we're just gonna get on the river now. Nothing seems to be working with the spinning reel. I'm gonna switch to the fly rod here in a second. Oh, I'm on a rock. Oh, big carp. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, the wind is so bad I'm being blown backwards if I don't paddle. Even though we're going downstream today. Oh. definitely have to say the hardest part about paddling this river, it's not the rapids, it's not the terrain, it's definitely the wind.
The wind really does numbers on you, let me tell you.
It like never stops, or it barely stops at least. Sorry I didn't film that much today. We're about to make it back to camp and all of my batteries are about to be dead, if they're not already dead on some of my cameras. So thank you for watching. Make sure to go check out my other videos. We're gonna go to bed and then wake up in the morning and head out.